Hey everyone, alright, so I have a product review to do here. I haven't tried this out yet, I just bought this, but it came very highly recommended to me by some local loom knitters, and thank you ladies so much for suggesting this. I'm actually really excited to try it out. Wrap loom peg smoothly, a bunch of other languages. It's Boye. It's a loom pen tool. It's a tensioner is what it is. So I will hold up, so if you want to take the time to read this, you can. Hopefully it's focusing where you can read it. You don't speak English, here you go. Alright, so let's get this thing opened. We got some little doohickeys in here. I've only seen the other women use it. I haven't tried to use it myself yet, so if I'm a little awkward, sorry. Let's get it out. Alright, is that it? Okay, so we've got, that is the tensioner part, and this, let's see if I can get it out there. This is what pushes the yarn through. So let's try this out. I've got just some worsted weights, just some Caron Simply Soft yarn, and I'm going to use this little tool, push it through. Look at that, that works so easy. Now one suggestion some of the women had was they were leaving this out when they work with it. They had something that they were putting it in. But if not, there you go. The only way this would be maybe an issue is if you're using a like a homespun type yarn that's real bulky to where it might catch, or if you're pulling it backwards for some reason. But basically, the concept is you can run it through there, and you got it on here, and then you can wrap your pegs. Let me grab a loom real quick. One of my favorites. Okay. Which, I've got the tension going on that pretty tight. I'm going to loosen, there we go. Loosen the tension up. This is why you want to use a tensioner. How nice is that? You can wrap so quickly. Other advantages of using a tensioner, and it doesn't necessarily have to be this tensioner, any tensioner. This one's just clever. It has your yarn tensioner itself on here. And it's got the little pokey thing to stick the yarn down through. I'm sure that's the official term for it. And it's just a nice design. I like the way it's shaped. It's not completely round. It's kind of like a triangle. So it's easier to grip, because sometimes things that are completely round, like pen casings, are going to kind of roll in your hands. So this is really nice. I like this. And I got this at a local Joann Fabrics. So I'll kind of hold it up close, because your yarn, you can just kind of wrap it around that. That's optional. It's whether or not you want to, and I don't know if this is, okay, it doesn't look like that's removable. But that will help you if you're running like a worsted weight yarn through this. It's very thin and just comes right out it, so you might want a little more tension so you're not wrapping real loose on the pegs. But tensioners are nice because if you have any form of carpal tunnel tendonitis, you can go like this and wrap the pegs with the tensioner, and there's not much wrist movement, because typically I would be going like this wrapping and seeing what that's doing to my wrist. I use this, and there's very little wrist movement, so that's what's really, really nice about these things. Alright guys, that's all I've got for this video. Let everybody know what you like to use for your tensioners. If you use a tensioner, it's a completely optional product to use. Leave that in the comment section below. I'll see if I can find online information about this and post it in the description below. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoy, and I don't know where else. I don't know if Hobby Lobby or Michaels carries this product. It is Boye. And again, it is, I'll show you the top of the package, so if you want to look for it specifically by the name. It is Boye, and is the loom pen tool. And it was only, I don't remember the price. I'm thinking it was no more than like $3. it wasn't very expensive. It was a pretty inexpensive accessory that will help save a lot of time and a lot of pain for your wrist. Totally worth it. At least I feel so. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you ladies so much for recommending this item. I think I'm really going to like it. And don't forget, everybody else, comment section below. Tell everybody what you like to use for your tensioner if you use a tensioner. You can add links to products, video, like just descriptions of what you use. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and good luck looming.